Later that night, when Luhat was sleeping,
Who are you? What are you doing in my house? Be gone!
Aren't you happy to see us? You should be happy to see us because you bring bad news.
What good news could you possibly bring? And how did you get into my house?
You can get to anywhere you please. After all, we are the spirits of river.
Spirit, what do you want from me?
It's not the matter of what we want from you, but it's the matter of what we offer you.
I don't want anything from you two. Leave me alone.
Are you sure? It may be helping to get the water you need badly.
Water? Did you say water?
Yes! Water!
How can I get water I need? Tell me how, and I'll do it.
Worship the rain god. Worship him.
What should I do to worship the rain god?
Gods can only be worshipped by sacrificing or something precious, something pure.
Precious? The most precious thing to us now is our tapiocas. Will the god accept tapiocas?
No! Don't be such a fool. The red god can be pleased with the blood of a child.
A child? I would rather die before I sacrifice a child. Never!
Even if it means losing your own sons, these precious sons of yours who have been helping you in the farm. Yes, we know all about your family, how much you love them.
Leave my sons alone. They have nothing to do with this.
Oh no, you are wrong. They have everything to do with this. If you don't do as we said, the son will eventually die of thirst. Are you willing to see them die slowly in front of you? Look at them. Would you put the life of a child over the lives of your two sons?
If I agree to this, when should I do it?
Time is of the essence. The longer you wait, the longer your son has to suffer. Make your choice. Make that wisely. Your two sons or a child. Your two sons or a child. Two sons or a child.
after the evil spirits left, Luhat spends the rest of his night thinking about what he should do. By dawn, he finally made up his mind.
Wake up, Imam. Wake up, Aga. I have something important to tell you. Wake up.
Luhat told his sons about what happened that night and what his plans are.
Ready when you are.
You hit him behind the head with this stick, and I'll get him. Okay?
Okay.
Let's get him.
Oh my God! What are you doing? I better go and tell Miss Yang. Yang!
What is it, Peter? Why do you look so scared?
I just saw your nephew hit Ruger and he got and carried him away.
Oh no! Where are you taking him?
I heard that they are taking him to their farm.
Tell him to tell Ibo and tell him to go to Luhan's farm. Go now! Hurry!
Meanwhile, at Luhan's farm,
Hold him tightly, boys. Don't let him get away.
Yes, Father. Mother! Mother! Help me!
Nobody can hear you, Julian.
Stop struggling or I'll hit you again.
You are going to do us a lot of favor, boy. Oh, hear me, Rain God. This is our offering to you. And in return, we beg you to give us the rain. Oh, hear me, Rain God. May the blood of this young child please you.
Ada pula, ada.
Let me go!
Please.
Why did you do this? Why? He's just a boy.
I had to do it. The spirits of the river told me to do it. They said it had to be done. I'm doing it for all of us. Oh.
Naya, the spirits are haunting. You know the spirits have been trusted, and now you killed my only son. I should kill you right now.
It's not worth it. You won't bring back your son even if you kill him.
I don't care. He killed my son.
If you kill him, the police will catch you. And if only enough they take the protect. What will happen if I say? Are you willing to still spending the rest of the night alone?
But he killed my son.
Let the Lord take care of you. Forget what we deserve. So what we should know. That man down in his dream to achieve. Let them enter the streets.
Okay. Take him up my senses.
It's okay. Now go to the wife. Come here, Ro. It is 3 years to achieve.
Hope shattered when Duran dies. Luhan has given in to the challenge in life. He has been driven by his desperation to commit a hideous crime which destroys both his and his son's lives. In time when strong will and determination are tested, Luhan has resorted to trusting the evil spirits who may have been his own imagination. In the end, a man's desperation has caused another man's hopes and dreams.